Hi, lovely people. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about the murders in Jamaica. We are at the start of the year and we have 111 murders in 22 days. So let's get into it because I have a whole lot to say. It says the police says 111 people have been murdered in Jamaica in the first 22 days of the year. According to the latest police statistics on serious crimes posted on the website of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, this is a 19.4% increase year on year. For the corresponding period in 2021, Jamaica recorded 93 murders. The St. James, I don't know why they put the St. James, but St. James is the most dangerous parish with 21 killings since the start of the year. In Westmoreland, where I'm from, where it used to be such a peaceful place, have second. St. Catherine South recorded 11 homicide and St. Catherine North 10. Kingston Eastern saw 9 killings. St. Mary and Portland are the only divisions without a murder. I'm going to read some other comments. And one person said, there was a murder in St. Mary on the weekend. So once again, for the second consecutive year, Portlanders are not in any hassle to send anyone to an early grave. I guess the PM and his Minister of Security and Justice are waiting until they are the only one that are left alive before they do something about this. And I'm reading some of the comments underneath this article in the Gleaner. So this is what Jamaican people have to say about the crime being so high. This is what happens when people vote for clocks per foot. And as you guys know, when Andrew was rallying the people around, he was using clocks per foot to get a lot of the younger voters on his side. He wanted to appeal to the younger audience, and that's exactly what he did. Can anyone really disagree that Andrew Holness is the worst leader in Jamaica's history? He needs to resign. More than 5 days ago, from I moved to Jamaica 30 years ago, a problem with gun murder, government come up and go, lip service is given. There are systematic issues unrelated to the economics that facilitates the gun murders, influence on the government policy by outside organization, primarily the church and the unions. And that is very much correct. That person that wrote that, lip service. Nothing but lip service is what they give to Jamaica's people. Andrew was the one that came out and cried the other day because he promised Jamaican people that they would be able to sleep with their doors open. And up till now, every single year, the crime rate has either stayed the same or increased exponentially. And he has not done anything in that regard, but he's worried about a compound and worried about Chief Corey and sovereignty. They haven't had a crime plan in years. When I say years, I mean years. And this our Jamaica people continuously vote for. This, I also feel like the laws need to change, whereas a prime minister of Jamaica can actually get re-elected time after time after time after time. Like after you do like 8 years, like in the US, you need to get out, because there needs to be some form of stipulation there, because you're not doing your job. So why are you getting re-elected? Or maybe you're just an excellent manipulator, I don't know. But there needs to be some stipulation as far as that law is concerned, where a person like Andrew can get re-elected how many times he wants, as long as he puts his foot in the race. Something needs to be done about that. What do you guys think about that? One person can go get re-elected as many times as they want. Imagine if we had to deal with that with Donald Trump for all the people that live overseas. Oh my God. So A new article says an almost 16% increase in murders since the start of this year, when compared to the same period last year, has prompted Prime Minister Andrew Holness to summon the island's security bosses to a meeting with the cabinet on Monday. Up onto press time, there was no official word from the office of the Prime Minister on the briefing delivered by Commissioner of Police Major General Anthony Anderson and recently appointed Chief of Defense Staff Rear Admiral Antoinette Weiss Gorman. Let me just say, Antoinette, Miss Gorman, I really hope you're about to come in here and do something different. I hope you're not coming in here to become a puppet. I hope you're coming in here with a crime plan, or actually some suggestions for a crime plan. I hope you're here to do some stuff, because something gotta give. And Mr. Chang Him, that's National Security Minister, Jesus, take the wheel. How Mr. Chang is National Security Minister and where is he? How is he not commenting on any of this? Like, what's happening? Why is he even in that position? He reshuffled his cabinet and put him back in the same position that he did nothing to resolve last year. Make it make sense, Jesus. But government sources told the Jamaica Observer that the Prime Minister has demanded a plan from the security chiefs as to how they will combat crime wave, which has left 100 people dead up to Sunday, January 23rd. 112 murders recorded so far, are 15 more than the 97 killed in the same period last year. In a response to the killings, Holness declared a section of Central Kingston Parade Gardens a zone of special operation, ZOSO, with sections of Salvalamar, Westmoreland also declared ZOSO. Poor Sav, poor me home parish is going down to the dogs, and ZOSO is not working. ZOSO now work. It never worked before. It was a bandage. It helped a little bit, then it went back to the same thing. ZOSO is not working. We need a crime plan. ZOSO is not working. We need a crime plan. Another Western parish, St. James, with 21 murders, lead the island as the police division with the most killing this year. The 21 murders in St. James are 3 more than the 18 recorded at January 23rd last year. So, since nobody no have no suggestions for a crime plan or what need to be done, I'm going to give them some suggestions. We need a central viewing point with CCTVs, especially in major areas like Kingston and Montego Bay. Especially Montego Bay, which has the most murders so far, which continually have the same murders, more murders, or the same as Kingston. They can afford to actually put a central viewing system in Montego Bay, prime tourist destination. Use some of the tax money that all the people that travel to Jamaica give y'all, and create a central viewing point with CCTVs all over. That's one suggestion. The roads need lighting. When you guys put up lighting on the road, also install cameras on that road. You're going to need to hire more police personnel. The police personnel in Jamaica need to be compensated more. So add that to the list, because you see the policeman that just had his daughter died because he had to take his daughter to work with him. The man can't even afford a babysitter. Poor him and that child that died. I'm sure he beat up himself more than how anybody else could beat him up really right now. I can only imagine losing a child. R.I.P. to him and all her family. So that needs to be a part of it. We need a crime plan. And the crime plan that you guys do can involve ZOSO, and you guys can tell the public exactly everything that's going to happen in the crime plan, because all the criminals are going to do is listen and move the way that they're supposed to. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you the next one. Deuces.